religion, different culture, but you're in a different place on the planet, same planet. You see, a planet, a small little place that is 0.01%, that is a small little country that is in never-ending peace and love. That is what Nepal stands for. Never-ending peace and love. Nepal, right? Get that first, correct. Now, what this peace and love is all about, it is existing like this for billions of years. You see, not for thousands of years, like, according to our education that we are having today. This is something, a science that is, beyond your imagination. But this is about death. You see, death is, it comes to everyone and everything. You see a leaf, it will grow old, it will fall, and it will, dry and fade away. Like that, you also have to die sometime and fade away. But this is the kind of thing, your love for the person that you have lost. Suppose your father, your mother, you have lost. Now your love for the soul of your loved ones. You see that you have to take, what do you say, purify yourself and go into prayer for 13 days before the soul takes rebirth. So this is what we call reincarnation. You see? So like in other cultures, like we bury, we burn, whatever it is, but we think it's over and done with. But over here, these cultures, that if the father dies, then the eldest son has to take the responsibility of starting the cremation. If the mother dies, then the youngest son. And cremation always starts from the lips of the dead person. You see? In this culture, when someone dies, within 2 or 3 hours, they should be cremated. Why? Because of yes, because of the reincarnation. You see, like if yes, suppose if you're in the hospital, the doctor has declared you dead. Understand? He's declared you dead, but then again, we still believe that prana can return. Prana is your soul, the energy to the air that you're breathing. You see? So if the soul returns, then well and good, we can save that person and put them into the hospitals where people are waiting to die. But if nothing like that happens, then we start the cremation. So that is at the stage of the purification, where we will have all the family members, they will offer water, you see, and they will touch the feet in this river, because your nervous center is below your feet, you see. So this can also awaken you if you're in a coma, you see. And nothing like that, then we'll bring the body here for cremation. Now, from here, like when the body is brought here, we have to rotate it 3 times in offering this body back to God. Because, like we are all, part of this great creation.